Flowers are blooming all across the nation, and seems like now it's Seoul's turn.
Yes, though very strong winds are currently blowing across the country. So if you're out looking to attend some flower festivals, you better hurry. For the latest update on the weather, let's turn to our Michelle Park at the Weather Center for us. Michelle, what's the latest?
Well, guys, the cherry blossoms are in full bloom in most of the country, especially over in the southern regions. And in fact, all regions will see their cherry blossoms to open by next week, which is still earlier than usual. And Friday, the wind makes its exit out of the peninsula, and also there will be intervals of clouds and sunshine above Northeast Asian countries. A mild morning is expected across the nation. Seoul starts off the morning with 8 degrees Celsius, while Jeju hits into the teens. Highs will mostly reach into the upper teens, whereas Daegu and Gyeongju, it's up to 21 and 22 degrees respectively. With warm conditions, frequent sporadic showers are in store this weekend, so please make sure you plan your weekend accordingly. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.